Do you like your car to sound better and go faster? If yes, this is for you, because today we're gonna take a look at 4 essential upgrades for your car that makes it sound better and go faster. And these are safe tunes for beginners. Let's get to it.
You make me dance, bring me up, bring me make me move like a freak.
Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great and awesome today. In this video, we're gonna take a look at 4 great upgrades for our cars to make it much more powerful and exciting to drive. If you're new to this channel, in here we take a look at lots of cars and lots of exciting things about car engines and new cars. Please subscribe now and become part of my family. So, let's get to the upgrades. First up, let's start with the thing that we always feel during driving, the wheels. Upgrading wheels will not increase your horsepower directly, but it will increase your handling and stability on the road, and it will increase your grip. So, if you want a better launch, go for the wheel upgrades. Next up, we have the air filter and the intake. The intake will make the air flows better into your engine. That means your car can breathe better and your fuel get burned very perfectly. So this can tune up your car and give you about 5 to 10 more horsepower, and it has a great sound and makes your engine sound real better. The third one is upgrading your exhaust system and installing headers. By installing headers and upgrading your exhaust system, the exhaust flow will be optimized and you will lower your back pressure. So this will unleash some hidden horsepower and your car will gain around 10 to 20 horsepower, and that's a great deal for such an addition. Down to the last one, and this one is a game changer. We are going to talk about the ECU. The ECU is the brain of the engine. After you install your intake, wheels and headers, you can change the ECU and upgrade it and make your car perform better. You can tell your car how to use each segment and give you the best boost and best performance. By upgrading ECU, you can gain up to 50 horsepower, and that depends on your installations on the car and your ECU brand and your car brand. If you install headers, intakes and great wheels, you can get around 30 horsepower by an ECU upgrade. So consider that in your mind, that the ECU will give you lots of more power than the other upgrades, and it's cheaper than the others. So that was it guys. I hope I helped you to tune up your car safely and perfectly. This was a beginner guide for tuning. In the next episodes, I will tell you how to tune up your cars even more and how to turbocharge your car with lower prices. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to become part of my family. Love you all guys, and peace out till the next time.